Today I'm going to show you how we clean the leaves of the plants in the greenhouse, and this is something that I also do at home. It's very important to clean your leaves at least once a month. Your furniture gets dusty. All that dust that's on your furniture also gets on your leaves. The problem with that is not only does it not look nice, but it's preventing the plant from absorbing all the sunlight that it needs to photosynthesize and grow and be healthy. So all that you need is a soft cloth. I've already moistened this with water. You're going to pick your leaf, you're going to support it with your non-dominant hand, and then just gently wipe the top of the leaf. And I can see a lot coming off on there. And again, you want to just do this maybe once a month when you're having a little extra time after you've watered. That's what I got off. And sometimes when plants come into the greenhouse, they have hard water deposits on them, fertilizer. What I like to use is a little bit of leaf shine. I just spray it on a cloth. And to get rid of those really stubborn spots that plain water doesn't work on, I just use this only on the tops of the leaves with the leaf shine. And then I'm going to follow through and buff it off. It gives it a nice shine, and it really gets rid of anything that water leaves behind. And if you want to see a difference, I'll pull this one down. There we go. That's the one I cleaned. And you can just tell this is going to absorb sunlight so much better than this one.